Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add different coins to Metamask wallet. For that, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for metamask.io. This will land you on the official website of Metamask. Now over here, you need to make sure that you have successfully added the Metamask extension. So if you have already added it, then you will have to click on Metamask extension, and after that, you just have to select your network in which you want to add different types of coins. For example, I want to add the coins on the Ethereum mainnet. So I'll simply select the Ethereum main network over here. Then you need to press the import token option, and then you will be landed on this import tokens page. Here you will be able to see this search bar, and the second option that you see is of custom token. So first, in the search bar, you will have to search for the token that you want to import. Let's say I want to import USDT. So I simply type USDT, and then it is showing me USDT on the Ethereum main network, as we have selected Ethereum as mainnet. So after selecting it, you will have to press the next button, and then you need to press import. This way, as you can see that you have successfully imported USDT in the Ethereum main network. So if you want to import any of the tokens that is not available in this list, then what you can do is you can simply click on the custom token option. Then it will ask you to provide the token contact address. So in order to get this contract address, you can use coinmarketcap.com. Now once you are on CoinMarketCap, you just have to select that particular coin which is not available on the search of the Metamask. So let's say I want to add Pepe coin in my Metamask account, and then you will have to press the Metamask icon. Here you will be able to see its contract address. So you need to copy its contract address from here. Then you need to come back to Metamask. Then you need to click on the extension option. After that, you need to click on the import token button, then press custom token, and you simply need to paste the address that we have just copied. Once done, it will automatically take the symbol as well as the decimal. So you just have to click on the next button and press import. This way you will be able to easily import any other token which is not available on Metamask into Metamask. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.